Bonjour, je m'appelle Dr. Chen et bienvenue à French 1312, chapitre 6, leçon 7. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier les articles démonstratifs. Les articles démonstratifs. Chapitre 6, leçon 7. J'espère que tout le monde va très bien. Hello, my name is Dr. Chen and welcome to French 1312, Chapter 6, Lesson 7. Today we are going to study demonstrative articles. Demonstrative articles are demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so you will learn how to say this man, this dog, this book there, this book here, and how to say these people, these men, these women in French. Ça va? I hope everybody is doing very, very well. Allez-y. Okay, you realize that we have 4 demonstrative articles. Okay, you will find these on pages 174, page 174, 176, 174, 176. L'article démonstratif. L'article démonstratif. You can also say l'adjectif démonstratif. C'est pareil. It's the same thing. Okay, you realize we have 4 of those articles, 4 of those adjectives. Ce, set with 1 T, and then set with 2 T's and E, and then the plural, c'est. So c'est, set, ce. Now, to use these in context, you have to know the gender of the noun that these will be used with. These are placed in front of the nouns, just like some adjectives in French. And you know, the article in French is always placed in front of the nouns. If the article is masculine article, then it goes with a masculine noun, right? If it's singular, it will go with a singular masculine noun. If it's plural, then it will go with masculine plural nouns. The same with feminine singular nouns and feminine plural nouns. The articles will come in front of those nouns. Now, if we come to our demonstrative articles here, these 4 demonstrative articles will be used in front of the nouns that are used with them. Okay, now to illustrate, okay, you look at these nouns here. These nouns. Look at the following nouns here and these nouns here. All right, now the first one, un chien, a dog, Now you know that means that we are talking about a male dog, right? So un chien. Now, instead of saying a dog, you want to say this dog, this dog. So the article will change a little bit. So because we have a masculine article here, then we will use ce, which is used with masculine singular nouns. Let's see. Okay, so you said here you want to say un chien, a dog. Here you change it a little bit. You want to say this dog. So the will be replaced by this masculine demonstrative article. Then you say ce chien, ce chien, ce chien. Now look at the second one. Un acteur, un acteur. Another masculine noun. But this time around, you realize that this masculine singular noun begins with a vowel. So if the masculine singular noun begins with a vowel, masculine singular beginning with a vowel, you will not use ce, you will use cette. Cette. You will say cette because you will do the linking, the liaison with the vowel that follows the T. So you will say cet acteur, cet acteur, cet acteur. We are using the middle one here. We are using the CET one because the masculine singular noun begins with a vowel. Ça va? Now, if you go to 3, you see that there too we have a singular noun, un homme, a man. Now you realize that we have an H, right? Now the same way that we did with the article, masculine singular nouns beginning with a vowel, the masculine singular noun with an H beginning A, you will use this one too. So you will say, instead of saying a man, a noun, you want to say this man, you will use the CET one. So you will say cet homme, cet homme, cet homme. Singular masculine noun with an H beginning A. Okay, now you go to this example, example 4. Une femme, singular, feminine, right? Une femme, a woman. Now you want to say this woman, this woman. So the article will change a little bit because this article here shows us that here femme is feminine. You will use the feminine singular one, right? So you will say cette femme, okay? Singular feminine noun. Okay, singular feminine noun. The article will change to cette. Now, here, the fifth one, une amie. You realize that is also feminine singular, but here we have a feminine singular noun beginning with a vowel. Now you realize that we are using the same set. So you will say to yourself, okay, so if the feminine singular noun begins with a vowel, you use the same thing as the one not beginning with a vowel. So here, cette femme, this one does not begin this one does not begin with a vowel. We use cette femme. This one begins with a vowel. We still went ahead and use cette femme. So it does not matter if the singular feminine noun begins with a vowel. We will use cette. Here we use this one if the singular masculine noun begins not with a vowel. We use this one if the masculine singular noun does not begin with a vowel. We use this one if the singular masculine noun begins with a vowel or H. Ça va? Now, if you come here, see c'est chien. Now, here we use c'est. Répétez, c'est. We use c'est chien because it's plural. See, chien has become a plural. So, masculine plural, you use c'est. So, c'est chien. Now, masculine plural, right? Even if it begins with a vowel, you still use your C. Ces à terre. There you do the liaison. Okay, ces à terre, plural. Okay? Now, cet homme, ces hommes. Okay, so it does not really matter whether it is feminine plural or masculine plural or feminine masculine plural beginning with a vowel or H. You will still use one form if the nouns become plural. So, ces chiens, ces à terre, ces hommes, ces femmes, ces amis. Plural, right? Feminine. C'est. Plural, feminine. C'est. Plural, masculine. C'est. Plural, masculine. C'est. Plural, masculine. C'est. So, c'est. C'est is used for plural nouns in front of plural nouns. It does not matter whether the noun is masculine or feminine. If you see a plural noun, you put your C, S-E, you put your C-E, S-1 in front. C, C-E-S, right? Très bien. Now, another thing. Here, you will see that we have our ce chien here. But we've added something. Si here. Here we have our ce chien. We've added la here. It's there. The ce is there to show the difference between whether the person speaking is closer to the object he or she is talking about. So there, the si and the la are added to say this dog here. The I1 means here, and the one with la means there. So it's a question of proximity. You want to differentiate between which dog is closer to you. So you say, ce chien-ci, this dog here, and then you will say, ce chien-là, that dog there, this dog there. So ce chien ci, here, ce chien là, this dog there. Ça va? You do the same thing with the plural nouns. You can differentiate between what actors are closer to you. I'm talking about distance. See, you have two set of actors. Some are sitting closer to you, some are sitting a little bit far from you. So you want to say ces acteurs ci, the ones that are close to you, sitting close to you, and then ces acteurs là. Right? So the ci and the là are added to put emphasis on distance, to differentiate between the objects that are close and those that are a little far away. Ça va? Ça va bien? Ça va? Oui. Au revoir et à bientôt.